Just step on it, and your body will dry just in a few seconds. Meet Arebo, the one-touch body dryer. Just imagine, you'll feel warm and toasty while getting ready for the day. Let's be honest, we all have at least one stinky towel at home. They're most likely to be full of bacteria. Do you really want to wipe your face with a towel? With Arebo, you won't have to worry about washing dozens of towels every month. We designed Arebo for your convenience. Just step on it to activate it. No need to spend extra seconds trying to get at those hard-to-reach places. Its durable surface holds up to 330 pounds. Arebo blows air at a speed of 33 miles per hour, the perfect breeze that efficiently dries your body. It's super easy to maintain. Just wipe it. Place it wherever you can imagine. Arebo, it's finally time to enjoy your morning and evening wash routine.